Justice Nageshwara Rao and Aniruddha Bose ordered that states and union territories should make provisions for the continuation of education to the children of both government and private schools in the current COVID situation. The Supreme Court came with an application seeking directions in respect of children affected due to COVID-19 pandemic as they have lost one or both of their parents or due to lack of funds. Supreme Court ordered this due to the application filed by amicus curiae, Advocate Gaurav Agarwal, who insisted that children have lost their education due to many reasons in the current pandemic. On the view of Advocate Gaurav Agarwal, due to the disastrous event COVID, many have lost their loved ones, especially the situation of children is a matter to be spoken of. In India, 30,071 children have become an orphan or have lost one parent to the COVID-19 as per the collected data till June 6th. Using this situation, some of the NGOs are indulging in illegal activities like fetching funds in social media by advertising the name of the children who are orphaned due to COVID-19, since they have lost either one or both of their parents, and these NGOs are also involved in illegal adoptions which would not be permitted according to Juvenile Justice Act of 2015. For this illegality, Supreme Court ordered the state and union territories government should take actions against those NGOs who are indulging in these kind of illegal activities. Before moving on to the direction passed by the Supreme Court, let us learn about what is amicus curiae. Amicus curiae, it means one who assists the court by furnishing information or advices regarding questions of law or fact. In Latin term, it means friend of the court. The concern of learned amicus curiae is that the affected children should not face a situation of discontinuance with their education. If the affected children are studying in government schools, they should be permitted to continue. So far as the children who are studying in private schools, the state governments or union territories should take steps and direct the continuance of the children in those schools at least for a period of 6 months, by which time some arrangements can be worked out.
Directions passed by the Supreme Court. The state governments or union territories are directed to take action against those NGOs or individuals who are indulging in illegal adoptions. Drug Price Control Order DPCO shall take the assistance of the government servants at the Gram Panchayat level to monitor the welfare of the disconsolate children who are devastated by the catastrophe of losing a single parent or both parents. The state governments or union territories are directed to make provisions for the continuance of education of children both in government as well as in private schools. Wide publicity should be given to the provisions of the Juvenile Justice Act 2015 and the prevailing schemes of the Union of India and the state governments or union territories, which would benefit the affected children. Drug Price Control Order DPCO shall take the assistance of the government servants at the Gram Panchayat level to monitor the welfare of the disconsolate children who are devastated by the catastrophe of losing a single parent or both parents.
Our view about Supreme Court's judgment. Education is a definite need of a person which cannot be interrupted for any reason because it is the biggest asset in the human life. Especially during this COVID times, many of them are facing different problems, and in this situation, there are some who lost their loved ones and are facing difficulties in going back to their routine life. So, in case of children who are orphaned due to COVID-19, their education is the only thing which would shape their future and which should not be stopped. For this purpose, the Supreme Court has made a salute-worthy order for the uninterrupted education to the children who have lost their parents in this pandemic.